we got something there. Feels like it. What do we got? Oh, what is that? What kind of control? What is that? Oh man. Now that's a nut. There's a nail, railroad spike, a small nut, another nail, but now that's a nut. That's a nut. Look at that, baby. That's a fistful of nut there. Woo-wee. Yeah, that's a fistful of nut there. County Sea Adventures cleaning her up. You bet. It's her old railroad track bridge. Pretty cool. Seen a doe and her two fawns a few minutes ago go across the tracks. Yeah, County Sea Adventures cleaning her up one piece at a time.